Yes guys, welcome back to another video, and it is your boy Chef André Davy. And right here guys, I have some breadfruit, okay guys, that already went ahead and peel and cook, okay guys. So what I'll be using this breadfruit to make guys is some breadfruit balls, okay guys. So just stick around and watch how I'm gonna deal with this. Welcome back guys. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my cooked breadfruit in a bowl, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and mash, okay guys. And you want to make sure that your breadfruit are cool, okay guys. Okay guys, see, it's fully mashed, okay guys. Okay guys, so to this I'm gonna go ahead and add some scallion, okay guys, or for some people it is spring onion. Then to that I'm gonna go ahead and add some parsley, some diced garlic, some salt, some onion powder, pepper flakes, black pepper, some potato flakes, instant potato, okay guys. Right here I have some Parmesan cheese. And I'm just gonna go ahead and combine all these ingredients, okay guys. Then to this guys, I'm gonna go ahead and have one egg, okay guys. You wanna make sure that you beat your egg. Just gonna go ahead and add it. Yeah. I'm just gonna mix this. Okay guys, so it's time for us to start formulating our balls, okay guys. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly dust these with some flour, okay guys. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and dip these in some egg, okay guys. And then from there, I'm gonna go ahead and dip them in some breadcrumb, okay guys. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and dust this in some breadcrumb. Okay guys, I've already went ahead and add some more ingredients to this breadcrumb, which include yellow cornmeal, parsley, salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some Parmesan cheese. Okay guys, okay guys, this is what you want your breadfruit balls to look like. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the other set. Okay guys, so I'll catch you back when I'm frying them. So yes guys, in a frying pan, what you wanna do, you wanna go ahead and add some oil. Okay guys, so yes guys, once your oil is hot, what you wanna do, you wanna go ahead and add your breadfruit balls to the oil. Okay guys, I'm gonna allow this to get a nice golden brown color. And we don't want to overcrowd our pot. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do guys, I'm just going to go ahead and turn them. Okay guys, and I'm just going to allow the other side to get the nice golden brown color. Wow guys, these are looking amazingly beautiful. Wow, guess what guys, they are ready. These amazing breadfruit balls are ready guys. Wow guys, these are beautiful, trust me guys. So yes guys, let's taste this amazing breadfruit balls. Wow, look at it guys, look how it's creamy inside guys, and it's crunchy on the outside. Wow, I'm loving the texture guys. Let's go for the flavor. Ooh la la. Wow. Guys, what am I finding this recipe just now guys? Oh my goodness guys, you're gonna love this. Trust me guys. You need to go and get yourself a breadfruit. I make this amazing recipe guys. Guess what guys? These are too delicious. So I will catch you in another video. Okay guys? Goodbye.